Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the workbook and immediately selecting the cells you want to recolor. Make a quick backup first. Once selected, go to the Home tab and locate Fill Color, the paint bucket icon. Click the drop-down to view theme and standard colors. If you need more precise choices, choose more colors than the RGB or hex fields. Make sure to use a consistent palette across related cells for readability and accessibility. This prepares you for conditional and format-based coloring next. You now move into dynamic coloring. Open Conditional Formatting and pick New Rule to color cells by value ranges, text, or custom formulas. Once you set a rule, click Format, then Fill, and select more colors to enter RGB or hex values for brand-accurate hues. For multiple ranges, use Format Painter to copy that color and other formats quickly. Once done, test the rule by changing a sample cell value so you can confirm the logic and visual contrast before finalizing. You finish by reviewing colors in page layout or print preview to ensure accurate print and screen contrast. Once satisfied, save the workbook, and if needed, embed the color choices into a custom theme via page layout colors. If colors misapply, use Home Conditional Formatting Clear Rules or press Ctrl+Z to undo recent changes. If problems persist, check workbook compatibility and Excel online differences. Make sure theme or exact RGB values survived file conversion, because that often causes unexpected color shifts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.